Hi, welcome to Scrappin' It Up channel. I'm Vanessa and I'm coming on here to do another album share with you guys. This one is a album that I made with a Marion Smith's romance novel. I'm sorry you can't get these papers anymore. You might be able to find them somewhere, but it's very, very hard to find. And I just love that paper. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I made this out of cardstock. I used 110-pound cardstock from Michael's to make this. And it is 8.5 by 6. And I kind of done a little bit different binding on this. I, made this one, and then attached them to create hinges for the pages to hook onto. So just something a little bit different. It is soft. It does, give, but it's still sturdy enough. I may try and make another one of these and, and reinforce it with Tyvek. Okay, let's dive in. Here's the back, what it looks like. And it's just a little simple album. It didn't take long to make. So you have a flap here and a flap here, and I just left those blank. So I didn't want the album to get too chunky. And then you have a pocket here with just a couple of cutouts from the paper pack. And then you have a flap here, and I used a tab from the paper collection. Oh, here, I'll bring it up so you guys can see it. And it flips. And then you have a pull out here. And it's just a pocket, and it just goes back in the pocket. Then you have this. I just love this paper. Of course, what paper don't I love? I love a lot of paper. Oh, there's so many nice ones out there. But her paper is the quality of it is very, very nice. And then you have a double pocket here. And I just put another tab from the collection. And a couple pull-outs. Just like that. This is a double pocket here. And then this flips up. Oh, I already showed you guys that, see? And then this is the last page. It flips open like that. And that is it for my Marion Smith album. I hope you guys enjoyed this album share, and we will be talking soon, and you guys have a good day. Thanks. Bye-bye.